With our top cut down to size and the corners shaped, we are ready to finish sand the top. To do this, we will be starting with 80 grit sandpaper. We're going to sand both surfaces, the top of the top and the bottom of the top. We're then going to go to 120 grit sandpaper. And then we're going to finish it up with a finer grit, possibly a 150 or 220 grit sandpaper. Now, during this sanding process, it is very important that you do not sand the edges. The edges are perfect because we ran them through the joiner. When you start sanding the edges, all of a sudden your boards don't line up anymore. Only sand the faces. And once finished, our top pieces are looking pretty good.